The industrial market is undergoing a new revolution. The growth of robotics in the manufacturing space and the data-hungry systems of Industry 4.0 mean that the factory floor is home to some of the latest automation technology. At the same time, the factory can represent a tough place for equipment. High temperatures and harsh chemicals, along with vibration and shock, means that industrial automation equipment must be robust and well protected against harsh conditions. Choosing the right connectors is vital when ensuring that the equipment is well protected. They must provide fast, secure and reliable connections that are needed to keep the factory running at peak efficiency. The Bulgin M series is the ideal connectivity solution for industrial automation technologies. Using common industry interfaces, the Bulgin M series includes circular connectors with M5, M8, M16 and M23 threads, along with the highly popular M12 series. Available in panel and cable mounting versions, the Bulgin M series also features pre-made overmolded cables of up to 15 meters in length, along with power and signal distribution units. Bulgin M series connectors are suitable for a wide variety of industrial applications, including factory automation, robotics and manufacturing, along with process control, sensors and industrial networking. Available in a choice of metal and plastic variants, and are sealed up to IP67, providing the rugged and robust connections that the modern factory will need. Whether you are looking to install brand new automation equipment or you need a field attachable connector for repairs on site, the Bulgin M series offers a wide range of solutions. Take a look at bulgin.com to see how Bulgin has applied its decades of experience to the field of industrial automation.